So, welcome back with my channel again. Today, I'm gonna. I come from Indonesia, my country. So there is 7 president in Indonesia. So we're gonna react to. Not yet. We're gonna make a tier list. Indonesian president tier list from S tier to F tier. So let's get started. Started with Sukarno, our first president. So I think that Sukarno, he's good. He's founding father of our country. Maybe if you ask Indonesian, 90% will say that Sukarno is S. But the minus point is Sukarno. I think that many people don't know that there is before to when Japan colonizing our country, and then to prepare our kemerdekaan, what is that? Our freedom, yes, our freedom. So we're not getting colonized again. That's what I mean. They create a PPUPKI, and then in PPKI they create Panitia 9 to create. So in Panitia 9, I think the leader is Sukarno, or Sukarno is one of the member, and Sukarno is create the Piagam Jakarta, which contain of our foundation, almost been our foundation, which said that like they admit that there is God, but for Islam, for Muslim, they have to follow the Syariat Islam. Yes, the Syariat Islam. I don't know the English. The Syariat Islam. But so because of that, like many people don't agree. Why? I mean, like, how about people who is Islam, who is Muslim, but disagree with Syariat Islam? How about Muslim that doesn't follow that? So they don't agree, and then the Piagam Jakarta is considered like memihak. What is it? My English is not very well. Take sides, yes, take sides of the Muslim, of the like conservative Muslim. So Sukarno almost made that a foundation of our country. So because of that, and also one again, Sukarno is praising. So Sukarno, after that, Sukarno also create our foundation, like now, until now, the foundation, the real foundation. But he praised a party that is communist and against our foundation and want to change our country foundation, and Sukarno praised it, like the name is PKI. So he said like PKI is good and blah 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 and everything, and then he wants to ganyang Malaysia. What is that? He doesn't like Malaysia because Malaysia is like take sides of a Western country, and Sukarno is take sides of the communist side. So Sukarno doesn't like the Malaysia, and then like Sukarno verbally attack Malaysia. Malaysia is betray our country like that, because the promise is Malaysia declare independence with Indonesia, but instead Malaysia grew independence without Indonesia doesn't know that, and then Malaysia just declare the independence. So Sukarno like, what, you make promise that we declare independence together, but so Sukarno like against that. So because of that, I will say B. Yes, B. He's founding father of our country. So that's a good side. And then our second president, Suharto. Oh, Suharto is a complete detector. And he's also a guy who accused Sukarno is a communist. So because Suharto doesn't like the communists, everyone who is communist, they kill it. And there is a rumor also that someone who criticizing him is get killed, but the media is like, when Suharto was in the presidency, the media is being oppressed by him. He's the leader. So if the media cannot share that our people that criticizing him also get killed, but it's just a rumor. So I don't know. So I mean, he's a fucking dictator also. So good for our country, I think. And then he make our country like the debt is high. Yes, the debt is high. So because Indonesian debt is high right now, is because of him. But the good thing is the infrastructure is good because of him. Yes, the infrastructure in 32 years is good, because everyone who against the infrastructure policy, the rumor is gonna kill it, and his family is corrupt. So that is, I think, F. Yes, there's nothing good with Sukarno. Okay, B.J. Habibie is like, he's very like, I think 1 year presidency, so I cannot, so there's nothing going on in B.J. Habibie. I would say B also. There's nothing good, there's nothing bad. Okay, Gus Dur. In just 2 years, they say Gus Dur separate between the military and the police or something like that. I don't quite understand that. And then diplomacy with Israel. So before Gus Dur, Indonesian Chinese people cannot celebrate Chinese New Year. In Gus Dur, they can. Even the president itself. But Gus Dur is also against corruption, so I would say A. Megawati Soekarno Putri. Okay, Megawati Soekarno Putri. I don't know. Her policy is like, much of her presidency is paying debt. So she paying debt. Nothing too good. The good side is just she's paying debt. I think we need better president than just paying debt. Okay, so I would say C. Remember, I'm 15 years old, so my knowledge is just, don't believe me. I'm just bored and I want to play it. That's simple. Okay, number 6, SPY. SPY. Oh, SPY. In SPY there is a, this is about politics. Like SPY and Jokowi, this is about politics. My politics is like, I hate this guy. Not I hate, I disagree. Because in SPY era, there is a FPI that for me that they use Islam in politics. So like, hey, if you disagree with me, you're not a real Islam. If you disagree with me, you're not a real Islam. He's an infidel, they're an infidel. And whenever you open restaurant or what, or street food in Ramadan, I'm gonna kick your ass like that lah. And he's doing nothing. He's a coward. Okay, number 1. Number 2, the Century case is like the bank. Okay, this is about politics. Like for me, there's a lot of scandal that it's not proof, but I think he's involved. And then yes, I don't like him. He's doing nothing good. And then he built KPK, but there's no. So in KPK you can like, what is it? You can tap or wait. You can spy, yes. You can spy on people without any warrant. Like you can spy people and say, oh, this is for because I think he's corrupt. But is it you spy him because he's corrupt, or you spy him because of something else? You never know. So I don't know. The KPK thing, and under his policy, I think it's very bad. So I will say F. Jokowi. It's about politics, but I like him. The first period, the first 4 years, the infrastructure is amazing. Especially in Indonesia, in the east side, is very like. Wait, I have to Google Translate again. It's very backward. So is it? I don't know. It's very behind. Like if you go to East Indonesian and Java, oh, there is a much different. In East Indonesia, it's like you go to Africa. You go to if you imagine what Africa is, like stereotype of Africa, the poor side. Nah, you go to Papua, Maluku. That. It's like that. But in Jokowi, they built infrastructure like twice as hard as he built in Java. That's why 90% of the popularity in 90% of Papuan people choose Jokowi, vote Jokowi, and he demolished FPI. I agree with his policy on he forbid the export of CPO. I think it's because there's a lot of mafia. There's a lot of mafia who like. So before the forbid of the export, there's a corruption. So the rule is they not obey the rule, they not obey the law in export, so they corrupt the money. And then Jokowi is like, okay, you cannot export. You have to, the CPO have to use in Indonesia, not in other country. Okay, and he make diplomacy with other country. That's the popular one. He make diplomacy with other country, and he forbid export nickel and CPO to Europe. That's why European Union is so mad to Indonesia. Why you stop the export? We want to use it, and so Indonesian is like, no, fuck you all. Not like that, but I think that's the message. Hey, don't use my CPO. So we use the CPO, or we transform it into something useful first, and then we export it, like that. And then what again? Like Jokowi slash, I just like him. The only thing I don't like him. Oh, why is he in the ass? Oh, wait. Oh yeah. I click something else. Okay. The only thing I don't like about Jokowi is I think that the COVID pandemic handle is too slow, too soft. So I think that's about it. Wait. I think Soeharto inti. Yes, Soeharto, because I just think at that time the leader is dictator. Like all over the world is dictator. You criticizing me, you're gone. Like that's just mindset of people long ago. We cannot use our mindset now to our standard to judge people from different era. That's like saying, oh, George Washington owning slaves, so that he's bad. No, like people in that era, we cannot use our standard to judge people in that era. About Sukarno, I think for people that in that era, Sukarno is not too good either, because he's praising PKI and he's almost make Piagam Jakarta our foundation of our country. So no. But he fight for our country. Yes, he founding father of our country. Without him, there is no us. Okay, so it's B. So that's it. That's my opinion. I think a lot of Indonesians don't agree with it, especially the Sukarno one, the Sukarno and the Soeharto and the SBY. Usually people like feel about SBY is average, not too good, not too bad, and feel Soeharto is the worst dictator ever. So that's it. How do you think?